Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the wrap audio voice effects for your clips on CapCut. So first, you just need to prepare your edits and just add the tags that you want, which can be used as your voice over. Okay. After that, just click on a check icon and now click on the text to speech and click on the English language, and here choose the hip hop man. Okay, you can adjust it if you want. You can adjust the speed of the rapping, and if you like it, just click on the check icon and now just wait. And here is the result for the rap voice effect. Okay, so after that you can just delete the tags, but the audio or the voice effect will still be there. Okay, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, click on thanks and subscribe. Bye bye.